Hi everyone, welcome back to another mukbang. I should say, welcome back to breakfast mukbang. Yay! So I haven't done a breakfast mukbang in a while. I feel like I could say that about every mukbang right now. So I actually brought a few of my favorite breakfast things. 80% of it is Korean pastry. I love Korean pastry. Honestly, I think more than breakfast, I like it as just whole day snack. Like before, during, after meal. I just love Korean pastry. And of course my recent, it's not like very recent, my recent favorite, this is McMuffin sausage with egg. Look at that perfection. The steak egg bagel one and this egg muffin has to be like similar rank. Yeah, and then of course Hashbrown. So this one is not, it's kind of like an egg tart, but this one's called something else, but it has cinnamon in it, I think. This is cream cheese donut, cream cheese 찰떡 donut, so like very similar to mochi, but it has that sweet rice cream cheese donut. So cute. And this one is just croissant with cream and whipping cream and strawberry curry croquette. Oh, my favorite. I feel like I shouldn't say Korean pastries, but it's a Korean branded. I bought these from Korean brand, and this one is vanilla cream stuffed. Oh, how cute this is. It was a lot more fluffier, but kind of got smushed. But look how cute this is. Wow, my face is big. And then this was another, the sweet rice or short rice donut. Then for drink, I have my expired milk. It actually expired yesterday, so I gotta finish it. Cheers, y'all. I want to start with sweet things, so I want to start with this cream cheese one. Oh my god. If you guys had mochi before, it's like mochi or like a rice cake. Somewhere in between. And cheesecake in here. Oh my god, it's so good. I want to just savor it. Although I love sweet things, I can't do too much sweet at a time. That's why I got something salty. Salty. But right now I think I could do one more sweet. I'm gonna go for this tart. So cute. It tastes very similar to original egg tart. it's not as good as I wanted it to be. I mean, the flavor is so good, but the flakiness and that little bit of crispiness is kind of like not there. So okay, I could do one more sweet. Get this one. Okay. I'm trying to compare this to something. Because I had something like this before, you know? So you know those jelly filled donuts? Kind of looks like this, but this color. It has like microphone and cuckoo on me. So some barbecue. Let's do one more salty. I actually have a little boo-boo right near my wisdom teeth area, so kind of hard to chew. Okay, before I get too full, let's dig into this Croquette. You know these little pieces that goes on top of the croquette? I love it. I wish they put this on everything, on every food. Now that I mentioned this flakes and crunchiness, I really want tempura ice cream. Never in my life I thought I would like deep fried ice cream. I guess some of you guys might think that, oh, you would like it, but I didn't think that I would like tempura ice cream until I worked at a sushi restaurant and they kind of like gave it to me for free just to try out. I would never ever pay for it to try it for the first time. There's some things that I'm like, if it's free, I'll try it, and if I like it, I'll pay next time. But I don't. There are a lot of things where I'm like, I haven't tried because I didn't want to like pay for it and try it because I'm not sure if I'll like it or not. Tempura ice cream. Oh my gosh! If you've never had it before, have to try. Give it a try. If you have to pay for it to try, do it. It's so worth it. It's so good. I think next time I visit like a Japanese restaurant or any place that has a sushi that has a tempura ice cream, I think I'm gonna get it. I'm like rolling my food around in my mouth right now because I actually made kimchi stew this morning and I was tasting it. Burned the hell out of my mouth. Like top of my mouth, like the roof is burnt. It's gone. Like a whole layer of my skin's gone. And this is kind of killing me right now. Almost done. It's my mouth. It hurts so bad. Welcome to pain mukbang. Okay. Oh my gosh. I think I would have really liked this when I first. It was one of the first ones that I ate. It's so good right now. Can't imagine eating it when I was just nothing was in my mouth, you know. Okay, let's do the finale. Oh. Strawberries are so good in this. This one has like a similar cream to this one, kind of like a shoe cream. Don't get me wrong, this was so delicious, but I could so go for kimchi stew right